Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. This will be my very last Birchbox. I unsubscribed Birchbox about a week ago, and I'm bringing another beauty products from Sephora. It's also a $10 a month subscription. It's called Play by Sephora, and you just have to sign up for it if you're interested. So that's gonna be in May, because I just subscribed it last week, so maybe like mids of May. So this is my last Birchbox, and I'm gonna open it. It was never open. It's just sitting here for like 3 days now. So while I'm waiting for my kids to get home from school, I'm gonna go ahead and do this because I'm working. My oldest son has an appointment today at around 4 o'clock. So I just want to get this done before I go. So I hope everybody is doing okay. It's been a stressful week for me, but it's okay. Life goes on. This is hard to open. All right, got it open. And inside, it's another box. That's what the box looks like. And on the back of it, it's pink color. It says Magic Inside. Okay. And it tells you they'll send you like a piece of paper. It tells you the name of the products and the price if you want to purchase the full price. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in here. Pretty cool. This time they put a tissue. I don't know why, but this is the first time I receive it with, like, they wrap it with the tissue. So products inside, and they give me this $15 off your next order. Flip over for more details, and they give you a code to get your $15 off. I guess they want me to subscribe back to them. That's probably why they send me a coupon or a code. All right, my first product here is Oribi Dry Texturizing Spray. It's a hair, I believe it's a hairspray. Yeah, it's a hairspray. It's like a travel size. That's what it looks like. Sorry about my nails. I need to get my nails done. I don't go to the salon or anything like that. Once in a great while, if there's like a special occasion, but I'll do my nails myself. Okay, so the Oribi, it's dry texturizing spray. The full size is $46. Part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This multitasker soaks up oil and gives hair body and bounce. Spray 4 to 5 inches from your roots and tousle to maximize lift. Okay. And my next product is, I don't know what's that called, Koi? I don't know. It's a hair care. It's a volume spray. Volume spray. So I have like 2 hairspray right here. Okay, let me read what it say. Volume spray, travel size, $12. Add some bounce and body to your blowout, in addition to heat protection when you spritz damp strands with this mist that's lightweight enough for even the most fine flat hair. It says heat protection. I guess you spray it before you blow dry your hair. All right. Third product is, it's called Melon Plus, I don't know what's the, how do you pronounce that? It's GOETZ, vitamin E face moisturizer. It's a face moisturizer. Vitamin E face moisturizer. The full size is $50. This oil-free moisturizer deeply hydrates and balances pH, making it a match for all skin types, even the most sensitive. So the full size for that is $50. All right, that's my third product. And the fourth product is TPSY. What is this? Lip gloss? No, it says Lip Crush Lip Oil. So this is the very first time they send me a lip oil. I haven't tried any lip oil before, so I don't know what it feels like. Okay, I'm kind of excited to try that and see what it feels. Okay, so TPSY Lip Crush Lip Oil Sweet Tooth. This sweetly scented stain hydrates your lips while adjusting to their natural pH, imparting a just for you that lasts all day. That's really cute. I like it. Okay, that's my fourth product. And my fifth product is Benefit Cosmetics. It's a roller lash super curling and lifting mascara, and the full size is $25. That's the box looks like by Benefit. And let me open it. This is what it looks like. It's just tiny tube. And that's the applicator looks like. All right, hold on guys. My kids are home. Hey, be careful because I'm doing video around the door. Okay. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so my last product is Air Repair. It's an eye cream. Okay, I believe the last time they sent me an eye cream also, so it's just a little tiny tube. And Air Repair Super Hydrating Eye Cream, full size is $24.50. This potent cream reduces puffiness, hydrates skin, smooths fine lines, and suits your under eye area for a bright-eyed look in seconds. Okay, so that's the end of my unboxing video. That was my last product. So if you like Birchbox, please give me a like and comment. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I gotta go. Bye. Say bye, Chase.
Bye guys. I'm in a tuxedo.
Bye guys.